A degree alone won't get you a teaching job in Bihar. Direct admission doesn't exist. The only path forward is the B.Ed Entrance Exam. Today, we are going to walk through the exact steps to secure your seat for 2026. We will cover the complete online application process, the documents you need to clear verification, and a proven study framework to get you ready for the June exam. This year, the entire process is being overseen by Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar Bihar University, or BRABU, which is acting as the central nodal university for all applications. Securing a teaching position requires immediate action. Your success over the next few months depends entirely on submitting a flawless application today and starting a structured study strategy tonight. Before we touch the registration portal, we need to verify you actually meet the baseline prerequisites. The academic requirement is strict. You must hold a valid, completed graduation or engineering degree to sit for this test. This diagram shows our timeline. The application window opens on April 27th, and it shuts completely by late May. If you miss that window, you are out. The target we are aiming for is the expected exam date on June 14th. BRABU moves fast. The evaluation cycle is extremely rapid, with results expected to be generated just 15 days after you finish the exam. Underestimating that late May deadline carries a heavy penalty. Missing this window forces you to wait until 2027 to apply again, stalling your career by a full year. When you are ready to apply, you have to be careful. There are counterfeit portals out there, so you must use a vetted routing pathway to ensure your data goes to the right place. Start by opening Google and searching specifically for Bihar Help. Look for the exact URL, biharhelp.in, and click it to begin. Once you are on the site, access the menu and open the admissions category. Find the post labeled Bihar B.Ed Entrance Exam 2026. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click the official application link. You will know you are in the right place when you see the official CET B.Ed 2026 portal. Look for the prominent BRABU University logo right above the registration fields. Utilizing this specific navigation route is the surest way to guarantee your personal data remains secure and your application actually reaches the nodal university. Now we start data entry. Before you type a single word, physically gather your academic records and set them next to your keyboard. The initial registration block requires precise input. You will need to carefully enter your personal identifiers and copy your prior academic history exactly as it appears on your transcripts. Next, you have 3 mandatory document uploads: a recent passport-sized photograph, a clear scanned signature, and your graduation mark sheets. Pay close attention here. The most common technical failure point is ignoring the strict file size limits enforced by the upload portal. Meticulous attention to document clarity and exact file size parameters is essential. If your files are blurry or too large, they will trigger an automatic algorithmic rejection later in the review cycle. Next is the payment gateway. Your application processing does not begin until your funds are successfully cleared. This chart shows the exact fee structure required. General category applicants pay 1,000 rupees, women pay 750, and SC or ST applicants pay 500. When you hit submit, take your hands off the mouse. Allow the payment gateway screen to refresh naturally. Clicking the back button can cause immediate double charges. Once the payment clears, you have one critical final step. You must manually click the button to download your confirmation page or print receipt. Without that downloaded PDF receipt, the university considers your application completely void, regardless of whether your bank account was charged. Save that file immediately. Your administrative work is done. Now we have to face the reality of a severely compressed study window. You only have a few weeks before the June exam. To cover that much ground, you need a specialized study tool. Open the Google Play Store and download the Shiksha Path application. Inside the app, look for the specific course module named the Manzil batch. It has an accessible entry price of 299 rupees. This batch provides exactly what you need to pass: chapter-wise theory, a complete digital archive of recorded lectures, downloadable PDFs, and a crucial mock test series. Here is your tactical daily routine. Allocate your mornings strictly for absorbing new theory. Then reserve your evenings for reviewing the recorded classes and executing those mock tests. With only weeks remaining, this structured approach ensures you hit every chapter and mock test required to finish the syllabus before the exam. Let's review your new operational status. You now possess a registered, confirmed application and an active daily study framework. On exam day, you will be testing in one of the major state cities under strict, transparent protocols managed by the university. And remember how fast this process moves. Your future will be decided just 15 days after you put your pencil down. Here are your immediate directives. Secure your PDF receipt on a hard drive, download Shiksha Path to begin the Monzel batch tonight, and subscribe to this channel to catch our tutorial on downloading your admit card. Executing these steps today moves you past the application phase and directly into the final countdown toward your teaching career.